Live coaching ensures that your agents take action on feedback immediately, improving the efficiency of a call center and reducing ramp time for new agents as they're trained to learn your business. Voice Intelligence, Dialpad's AI-powered technology, simplifies the ability to coach agents during every call through real-time assist cards, custom moments, real-time alerting, and live sentiment analysis. Let's take a closer look at Voice Intelligence and these features. Answer common or difficult questions quickly. Real-time assist cards allow you to coach your agents while they're on calls, and you don't need to actually listen to the calls live. In the Dialpad web portal, select the call center and navigate to the Voice Intelligence section. Start from scratch or use a pre-made template to tailor the RTA card. Dialpad allows you to define the RTA card's name and description. Once you've determined what the RTA card will cover, customize the card content. Decide the information to display to agents anytime trigger words and phrases are said during the call. Aside from an in-card description, you're able to add a link that agents can click to easily access a help resource or any relevant internal documentation. You can also customize an RTA card to only appear if trigger words and phrases are said by the agent, customer, or both parties on the call. You're always able to observe calls as they're unfolding, but Dialpad's RTA cards automate coaching to reallocate managerial time and resources normally spent monitoring agents and their conversations. Notice in this example how a customer asked about pricing, and thus a pricing inquiry RTA card surfaced on the agent's screen, with details on available plans. It also includes a link to the company's pricing page. Agents get live coaching when it matters most, and customers receive the answers they're seeking in record time, all because agents won't waste time scrambling for information. If you'd like to figure out which RTA cards are effective, just take a look at the leaderboard in Dialpad's analytics. View the RTA cards actually improving efficiency and consider this feedback to modify other RTA cards that aren't as helpful. Track trends, monitor script compliance, and receive alerts related to key details. Voice Intelligence is able to capture custom moments that identify unique keywords from any call. Just like RTA cards, custom moments are built in the Dialpad web portal. Create your own and select an existing template to get started. Decide the name and description for this custom moment, and then its trigger words and phrases relating to your business or the broader industry. It'll make it easier to understand the exact topics that agents and customers discuss. Custom moments will reveal if customers often reach out to your business about a specific feature or to compare your product against the competition, for example. In this sample, notice how the custom moments successfully captured a customer's request for cancellation. Not only will you realize the frequency of cancellations, but also any reasoning around it. In the VI call summary, select the moment, and Voice Intelligence highlights it in the transcript. If you're endlessly sifting through lengthy transcripts, you'll never get ahead of your competitors. Custom moments tap into what agents and customers said in order to discern trends as soon as they appear. RTA cards and custom moments drastically simplify live coaching, but you'll still want a certain degree of hands-on experience involved. In a call center, managers and supervisors can choose to be notified each time an RTA card is triggered. While creating an RTA card or custom moment, turn on real-time alerts with a single click. It'll then allow Dialpad to use the in-app dial bot to message call center administrators anytime a trigger word or phrase surfaces. From there, the call center admin can view the call live and take appropriate action. Real-time alerts are useful for topics that may require additional attention to listen in or barge in on a call if an agent is struggling. Understand the sentiment of a call live to support agents if a customer conversation is negative. Call center managers and supervisors can access the live calls dashboard from the Dialpad app to see agents in action. Live sentiment appears at a glance, and you can easily spot the calls that require some intervention. If a negative situation arises on a call, you're able to launch the live transcript, instruct the agent, and ultimately join the call. Looking to learn more about running a call center in Dialpad? visit our Help Center at help.dialpad.com for walkthroughs, tips, and information on all available features. As always, happy dialing!